You have an older Samsung Galaxy Tab, this is the Tab 8, and you need to completely erase it and factory reset it. Let me show you how. And if this video helps you, please stick to the end because I've got something else that might help you save some money. All right, let's get started. We're going to hold the home button, volume up, and power all at the same time. Start by holding home, volume up, and power all at the same time. And as soon as you see Samsung, let go right there. Now, after a few moments, it's going to cycle through a couple of screens, and it will give us it'll bring up the Android recovery menu. A couple screens, fallen Android, there we go. Now, with the volume keys, we're going to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset. Oops, right there. We're going to press power for OK and confirm wipe all user data. This will completely erase everything. So scroll down with the volume keys, delete all user data, press power for OK. And in just a moment, we will see that the data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. You'll press power for OK. And that is how you factory reset the Samsung Galaxy A6. And hey, if this video has helped you, please do 3 things for me. Please like, please subscribe, and please visit our friends at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is a partner of this channel, and right now they have premium wireless plans starting at $15 a month. Mint Mobile brings you the same high-speed data, unlimited talk and text, and nationwide coverage. For all the details, go to trymintmobile.com/Jason Clements. That's trymintmobile.com/Jason Clements. And if we touch the shop now, right now, Mint Mobile has 12-month plans for 5, 15, 20, and unlimited gigabytes. And if you choose the unlimited gigabytes, there's $60 of total savings. And at Mint Mobile, you can still get your physical SIM. You can still get the eSIM. And you can keep your current number, bring your own phone. Again, great nationwide coverage, and all the data you need, you get to choose. And again, we want to thank our friends and partners at Mint Mobile. And thank you for watching.